Anchor, the gold standard for passive income. Have fun staying poor. Welcome to the channel. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Despite the proliferation of financial products, DeFi has yet to produce a savings product simple and safe enough to gain mass adoption. The price volatility of most crypto assets makes staking unfit for the vast majority of consumers. On the other end of the spectrum, the cyclical nature of stablecoin interest rates on DeFi staples like Maker and Compound makes those protocols ill-suited for a household savings product. To address this pressing need, the Anchor team introduces Anchor, a savings protocol on the Terra blockchain that offers yield powered by block rewards of major proof-of-stake blockchains. Anchor offers a principal-protected stablecoin savings product that pays depositors a stable interest rate. It achieves this by stabilizing the deposit interest rate with block rewards accruing to assets that are used to borrow stablecoins. Anchor will thus offer DeFi's benchmark interest rate, determined by the yield of the POS blockchains with highest demand. Ultimately, they envision Anchor to become the gold standard for passive income on the blockchain. Guys, make sure like, comment and let me know your thoughts. Please subscribe to my channel. Have fun staying poor.